Tab S9 isn't just any tablet, it's a powerhouse designed to elevate your digital life. Let's explore the top 5 reasons why you should consider adding this beauty to your tech arsenal. And remember, to learn more about the Tab S9 and snag the best deals, check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. The Galaxy Tab S9 boasts a mesmerizing dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, every image and video comes to life. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, editing photos, or simply browsing the web, the visuals are simply breathtaking. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming, making every interaction a delight. Under the hood, you'll find the blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. This means buttery smooth performance whether you're multitasking, playing demanding games, or running resource-intensive apps. Coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM, you can effortlessly handle any task. And with ample storage options, you'll have plenty of space for all your files, apps, and media. The included S Pen is a game changer. Its low latency and pressure sensitivity make it feel like a natural extension of your hand. Jot down notes, sketch your ideas, or even sign documents with precision. The S Pen's versatility is unmatched, transforming your Tab S9 into a digital sketchbook, notebook, and more. Power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. The Tab S9's massive 8400 mAh battery delivers impressive endurance. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or working on projects, you can enjoy uninterrupted usage for hours on end, and when it's time to recharge, the fast charging technology gets you back up and running quickly. It is not just about performance, it's a statement of style. With its sleek aluminum frame and premium glass back, it feels luxurious in your hands. The IP68 rating means you don't have to worry about accidental spills or splashes. It's built to withstand the demands of your busy life. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is a true powerhouse that delivers an exceptional user experience. With its stunning display, blazing fast performance, versatile S Pen, long-lasting battery, and premium design, it's a device that truly stands out. If you're looking for a tablet that can do it all, the Tab S9 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and the best deals. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.